Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Where is my well-wisher, Uncle Yudhiṣṭhir, and Mother Ganari, who is very afflicted due to all her son's demise? My uncle Yudhiṣṭhir was also very mortified due to the death of all his sons and grandsons. Undoubtedly, I am very ungrateful. Did he, therefore, take my offences very seriously and, along with his wife, drown himself in the Gangas? The Pandavas, especially Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir and Arjun, anticipated the after-effects of the Battle of Kurukshetra, and therefore Arjun declined to execute the fighting. The fight was executed by the will of the Lord, but the effects of family aggrievement, as they had thought of it before, had come to be true. Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir was always conscious of the great plight of his uncle Yudhiṣṭhir and Aunt Gandhari, and therefore he took all possible care of them in their old age and aggrieved conditions. When, therefore, he could not find his uncle and aunt in the palace, naturally his doubts arose, and he conjectured that they had gone down to the water of the Gangas. He thought himself ungrateful, because when the Pandavas were fatherless, Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir had given them all royal facilities to live, and in return he had killed all Yudhiṣṭhir's sons in the battle of Kurukshetra. As a pious man, Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir took into account all his unavoidable misdeeds, and he never thought of the misdeeds of his uncle and company. Yudhiṣṭhir had suffered the effects of his own misdeeds by the will of the Lord, but Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir was thinking only of his own unavoidable misdeeds. That is the nature of a good man and devotee of the Lord. A devotee never finds fault with others, but tries to find his own and thus rectify them as far as possible.